Welcome everyone to another video. Today in this video I like to share you guys how to take a slow-mo video on your Vivo V21e. I am Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, let's start the video. So at first go to your camera, then tap on more option and select slow motion. So now you can record 120fps slow-mo video on your Vivo V21e. By the way, Vivo V21e full review and camera review coming very soon. So subscribe right now and press the bell icon. Okay, today video about that. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like and share and sub the channel. See you next time to another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.